Good morning children. How are you? I hope everybody is fine. Yes. So how was the exam? I hope the exam was good. Okay. So what we are going to do today? Today we are going to start a new chapter in EVS. That is, we are starting with lesson number 5, our environment and pollution. Okay. So for that you have to take out your semester book. Open page number 178. Take out your semester book and open page number 178. Yes, let's start. Okay. So, before starting, I want you to see on the screen. So, what all things can you see on the screen? Can you see the 3 pictures? Yes, this is your warm-up box. Yes, it's there in your book also. I have put pictures here also. Okay. So, see here. What do you have to do? Look at these images. You have to see at the pictures. Do you think such dirty conditions are good for our health? So, in the first picture, what you can see? There is lot of garbage that is spilled all over the where? Land. Okay. There is garbage everywhere. You can see the bottles, flies, all the waste materials. Okay. In the second picture, what you can see? In the second picture, we can see water. And in water, what you can see? Yes, in water there are many waste materials. Okay. And in the third picture, you can see the factory. Picture of factory and picture of vehicles. And what it is coming? Smoke is coming out from them. Okay. So, the question is, do you think such dirty conditions are good for our health? So, do you think if we live in such dirty condition, it is good for our health? So, what is your answer? Yes or no? No. Okay. Why it is not good? Can you give that answer? Why? क्यों अच्छा नहीं? Yes. Because if we live in such dirty condition, we may fall ill or sick. Okay. So let's start. So now you have got an idea like what we are going to study today. Okay. So before reading, the first term for today, what we are going to study is environment. Our subject name is also EVS, Environment Science. Okay, so what is the meaning of environment? Okay, so let's see what is the meaning of environment and then we'll read it. The place where we live and its surrounding. अपन जहाँ रहते हैं और अपने आस-पास की जगह. The place where we live and its surrounding consists of. अब क्या-क्या है अपने आस-पास? Land is there, water is there, air is there, plants are there, animals are there. Okay, all these things are there around us. Okay, so this all consists of environment. So if somebody asks you what is environment? The place where you live and its surroundings. अब surroundings में क्या आएगा? Surroundings में सब कुछ आएगा. Land will come, water will come, air will come, plants will come and animals will also come. So let's read. And then we'll go to the next term. This is the first term for the today what we are going to learn. Okay, that is environment and you have to learn its spelling. Okay, so let's start reading. First line, fingers. Yes. The place where we live and its surroundings make our environment. Our environment consists of land, water, air, plants and animals that live around us. Next paragraph. When the environment gets dirty or is full of harmful substances, it is called pollution. Pollution is very harmful. People may fall sick if we live in a polluted environment. Now, what they are saying? They are saying if we live in a polluted environment, another term comes that is given in blue color. It is polluted. What is pollution or polluted? What it is? When the environment is dirty. Okay. So, next term what we are learning today is pollution. What is pollution? When the environment gets dirty or is full of harmful substances. Harmful substances means जो आपको harm करता है. जो भी चीज आपको harm करता है उसको बोलते हैं harmful substances. So, when the environment gets dirty, how the environment can get dirty? We have seen in the first picture. Okay, the 3 pictures that I have shown to you. Okay, so the environment is dirty or is full of harmful substance. Pollution is very harmful for us. Why? Because we may fall sick. If we inhale that dirty smoke, lot of dirty smoke, what will happen to us? We may fall sick. Okay. So, next term we are studying today is pollution. Now, there are many types of pollution. Okay, from the picture you might have seen there are many types of pollutions. So, in this picture, in this one picture you can see a truck and smoke is coming out of the truck. Okay, you can see water body, factory is there, and you can see what you can see. Factory waste is going inside it. Okay, and here you can see a person is speaking something on the mic and loudspeakers are there. Okay, this you can see, and what else? You can see garbage spilled all over the land. So, in this one single picture we can see 4 types of pollution. What it is? First pollution we can see land pollution, second is water pollution, third is air pollution, and last one is noise pollution. So, in this chapter we are going to study about 4 types of pollution. First pollution is land pollution. Land pollution means when the land is dirty. It is known as land pollution. Second one is water pollution. When the water is getting dirty. Okay. Next is air pollution. Air pollution from the smoke of factories and from the vehicles also. And last one is noise pollution. When we hear loud noise from the loudspeakers or honking. Okay, so that is known as noise pollution. So let's read. Today we are going to study only first type of pollution, that is the land pollution. Okay, so what is land pollution? Let's read first and then I'll explain. Okay, land pollution. We pollute the land when we throw garbage in the open and not in dustbin. Have you seen open overflowing garbage dumps? Sometimes when we go for picnics or to a fair, we eat a lot of snacks and throw the wrappers, used plates, etc. in the open. By doing so, we are making the land dirty and polluted. Many germs are born in these dirty places. These germs can cause diseases. Now what they are saying? When we throw garbage in open. So first thing in land pollution is throwing garbage in open and not in dustbin. When we see the dustbin but we tend to throw garbage in the open. Like when you go to a mall or when you go for picnics. What do you do? Sometimes you pick it up, sometimes we don't pick it up. When we are traveling somewhere, we tend to throw out of the window. So we are also doing the same thing. We are doing pollution. We are polluting the land. Okay. Land dirty and polluted. When the land is very dirty and polluted, it is known as land pollution. So what will happen? When we throw something, germs are born in these dirty places. So many types of germs, flies, insects are born in these places and these causes diseases. Okay, as you can see, this man is throwing something and see how many flies you can see. Okay, smell is coming. Okay, it is very dirty. And there also, when you go somewhere, you just throw it outside the dustbin. We tend to throw and go somewhere. So this is land pollution. When the land gets dirty, who is making this land dirty? We only are making. Okay, now you will say, ma'am, I am not throwing. But sometimes we do. And if you are not doing, it's very good. But if we see others also doing, making the land dirty, we can tell them, don't do it. Okay. So, let's revise what we have studied today. Till here only we will study today. What is environment? First term what we have studied for the day? Environment. Learn it. All the spellings you have to learn. Okay. So, environment. What is environment? Yes. Recall fast. The place where we live and its surroundings. What is the meaning of surrounding? Land, water, air, animals, people, all the things will come in environment. Next, second is pollution. What is pollution? Pollution is anything that makes the environment dirty. Okay?
environment dirty. Now, main types of pollution. There are 4 main types of pollution: land, water, air and noise pollution. What are the 4 types of pollution? Land, water, air and noise pollution. Today we have studied land pollution. What is land pollution? When we throw garbage or make the land dirty. When we throw garbage in the open area and not in the dustbin. Okay? So it is known as land pollution, when the land gets dirty. Now, do you know the meaning of land? Land का मतलब पता है ना? Everybody knows the meaning of land? Yes, we have studied in different land forms also. In the last chapter we have studied. Okay, so there are different land forms that we have studied. Desert, plateau, plains. Okay, land means zameen. Okay, so if we are making the land dirty, it is known as land pollution. Okay children, so till here we will stop. So what is today's work? Today you will go through what we have studied and learn the spellings of environment, pollution and land pollution. Okay, learn the spellings. Difficult spellings you underline and learn. Okay, have a good day.